What's up, bros? Here we are. I don't have my lav mic today, but I get asked all the time, hey, what have you done to the bike since you got it? So today we're going to do a little walk around on the 2022 BMW S1000RR M Package. So I'll start tip to butt, as Grantham always says. I'll start with what I didn't update. I didn't upgrade the front fender. I really like the way the paint scheme matches up, and most of the options are carbon fiber, which I didn't want for its reflective properties, if you know what I mean. I did upgrade the titanium bolts on the front fender and throughout the bike. You'll see them. Upgraded the tires to Pirelli Rosso 4s out of necessity. Put a Puig light smoke windscreen on it. The black looks good, but I need the camera to see through it. M lever guards, both sides. Those have already paid dividends, so get some sort of guards. Front radiator and oil cooler guard. Just in the couple weeks before I put that on, I had rocks already flying up. I can feel them every time they hit, and that is worth its weight in gold. Carbon fiber shark fin. M tank decal in tribute to the M1000. This is an M package, otherwise I wouldn't have done it. And I got those from BMW, hard to get, very expensive. Upgraded the rear sets to the M set. These are on the M1000, and then they're also on the new 2023 BMW S1000RR. Lots of adjustments, lots of grip on those bad boys. So I like those. Akrapovic GP, MotoGP slip-on. You can see my other video about it, but I did not want to do the full system. Just don't want to run into problems. Rear carbon fiber hugger, fender eliminator kit, and TST taillights. Those are awesome. BMW race cap, carbon fiber chain guard on the other side, BMW rear spools. Got a carbon fiber inlay on the left side here. Gosh, those bolts look so good on the carbon and on the black. More lever guards, and that's about it. So all of the upgrades are pretty much cosmetic. If you've got some upgrades you think I should do, particularly ones that not every S1000 out there has, let me know. I'm interested and ready to do it. Oh, the bugs are also custom. I added those. Also purely cosmetic, no performance gains from that. As far as future upgrades, I do have a Sprint air filter on the way. Got the wrong one, and it was a little narrow. And then lastly, I guess I overlooked it, is the seat covers, which are very comfortable, very grippy. Got those from Moto Tapizeria, and those are good. Lots of options for that. So there's the bike. Again, if you have questions, comments, or ideas, let me know, and I'll get to it. Later, bros.